Howdy folks, I'm Mama B, and Jax and Toki have been busy. So we have been busy trying to prepare a nesting box and a place so that they can be comfortable enough to give us some baby conures. So we've set up their nesting box and we put in a camera. So this is the Wyze camera. We got it from one of your big box stores for like 35 bucks.
All right, here we go. We just bought one of these at the Home Depot. You can get them all over the place. The Wyze Cam version 3. We're going to use it. I guess you'll see how we use it.
I'm excited.
It's pretty simple. We've hooked up another one earlier, but this is a new second one. We like the first one quite a bit. Anyway, there wasn't much to it. You open up the box. It comes with the camera. The camera. A little cord. Power adapter, it's USB. I got some mounts that come with it. There's some magnet mounts and stickers that you can magnet mount. And the camera itself, and there's not much to do the setup. You need to download the Wyze app, create an account, and then click add camera, and just follow the instructions. It seemed like it only took a couple of minutes. It was pretty easy. I think the only thing I really needed to know was the Wi-Fi for the house. But here's the camera, the little kind of waterproof connector. There's just a micro USB that goes in there. It's got some silicone, kind of keep it watertight. You plug that in, and then you plug the bigger USB-A, whatever, the more rectangular one. You plug that into the other end. And once you plug it in, assuming you have the app, but I actually plugged this in, then went and got the app and then started the process. So it was a couple of minutes. I didn't have to reset anything. But basically, you just plug it in. You'll see a little red blinking light. If you open the mount, there's a place for an SD card. I think it's this one. I can't see it right that well. And then there's one for setup. If I got it wrong, it's the other way around, but it does read it right there. So you could put an SD card in it, but you just hit setup. Won't matter. You get the app, they'll show you which side to press. The app is pretty slick. I've done a few smart home things, outlets and whatnot. These guys did it pretty good. And our main purpose was so that we could set this in a birdhouse and look at birds in a birdhouse. And our birdhouse is about 12 inches tall. And we aimed it down, and it seems to get the nest pretty well. You'll see pictures of that coming soon. It was pretty simple. And that's the Wyze Camera 3, version 3. And more to come.
So the camera is bolted to this board, and you can lift it up, and underneath it is this little hole where the camera fits in nicely. And then it can watch the birds without us having to disturb it, but we can also remove it easily if we need to. Down here we have a special door. This will help us get access to the babies if we need to, and not have to fight the mom and daddy bird. Let's see how it works. Folks, we think this camera is great, totally worth it. Thanks so much for watching our videos and have a fantastic day.